Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's Wade Perry here with the Perry Properties Group, where we are working with neighbors and creating community. It's the middle of the month, so you know what that means. It's time for the Around Town segment of the Columbine Valley Market Minute. So last weekend, you should have received one of these in the mail, detailing all of the real estate activity in the Columbine Valley. And on the back, like usual every month, we give away 4 gift cards at $25 a piece. This month's giveaway is for Byrne Family Detailing. So you want your ride to look fantastic? These boys and this little girl will make your car absolutely shine. In fact, big props to Jim Ferguson. Texted me a selfie with he and his dirty car the day this hit the mailbox. His beautiful wife Candace came down, got the car detailed, and they look sharp. I have 3 more of these gift cards. All you've got to do, text me a selfie of you and your dirty car or email it to wade@perrypropertiesgroup.com. We'll get you that $25 off. Also, last month's giveaway to Savory Spice, big congratulations to Nancy Eschetson and Bobby Bibb. Both went down, took their selfies, emailed it to me, and got $25 gift cards. I have 2 more for Savory Spice. Just take your copy of this, and if you don't have it, get down to Savory Spice, take a selfie, take a picture with one of the staff, send it to me, and I'll get you $25 off. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Wade Perry again, coming to you from the Perry Properties Group. All we want you to remember is it's a great life.